Good evening, students. So, we have discussed about the mobile phone evolution and variety type of mobile component which are used in cell phone. So, I move on next slide, that is evolution of cell phone. In previously, mainly 1990 to 2000, we have seen cell phone or mobile phone are coming in bigger size, because this time all component which is SIM card tray, BGA, capacitor, diode, transistor, all are used separately. That's why it's required more space, so that in that time we have seen bigger mobile phone, in big size mobile phone or cell phone. But after day by day evolution of electronics industry, now in present days we have seen small size of cell phone, and in this cell phone we have seen variety type of option are available, like music, gaming, camera, head browsing, all are available right now. So right now cell phone or mobile phone which are used in smart category, that called smartphone, are same as a personal computer or as a laptop, because in laptop and a cell phone are difference between in one place, that is storage capacity and battery life, because also in display, because in laptop we have seen more space, I mean 512 GB or 1 TB or 2 TB space available. But in mobile phone maximum 128 GB internal memory till now is available. So this is the main difference between a laptop or computer and a cell phone. Cell phone is nowadays available only with 128 GB space, but laptop or computer are coming with more space, and the laptop or computer are display are big, but smartphone or mobile phone display are mainly highest 6 inch, So these two main difference between laptop and cell phone. So now you see that in previously we have seen more bigger from the today's handset. It's the old uses handset and this is the presently used smartphone in our country or in the world. So now we move our next slide. That is charger, headphone, battery. In previously I have told you that when you purchase a full box handset from the market, you have seen these accessories are present in the box, because if charger are not present in the box, we are unable to charge the handset. Same as headphone or earphone, if it's not present in the box, we are unable to listen music or video. But you say that videos and music are available without headphone. Yes, it's available without headphone. But some cases, or when you listen music only you, then you require. Because if you run the FM option, you must be connected with the headphone to the phone. If it's not connected, I mean hands-free not connected with headphone, you are unable to listen FM. Same as battery. It is the most important thing in cell phone. If it's not present in any cell phone, the mobile phone did not run, not switch on, because it supply the current voltage which are stored, or current are stored in battery cell from the current through the charger. When we are connect the charger to the mobile phone, electricity passes through the charger and it's stored in battery cell. When we are disconnect the charger from the phone, the battery passes electricity volts which are stored previously. So battery is the most important thing in that particular place or in a cell phone. Now we move our next slide. Disassembling the mobile phone, because if we are not disassembling the mobile phone, we are unable to see what is the inside of the cell phone, or if any problem arises, any type of problem if arise in cell phone, we are must required to open or disassemble the cell phone. So at first we are required to disassemble the phone. We are required to remove the battery cover which are present in back side of the cell phone or mobile phone. Then we are removed the front casing, middle cover, keypad which are present in the cell phone or in the mobile phone. Here you see this is the middle cover which are present to capture the whole thing, I mean main PCBA which are connected through it. This is the front cover which are present in each and every handset, mainly in feature phone, but nowadays in smartphones we have seen front facial or front casing come with touch panel, because in nowadays smartphone all are used PDA or touchpad. What is the full form of PDA? Personal Digital Assistance. P for personal, D for digital, A for assistance. That's PDA. But in feature phone we have seen front casing with LCD lens or LCD glass, because this glass or lens are transparent, so we are easily see in the display where the display is connected with the main PCBA. Now we move our next slide, that is main PCBA. Actually it is the most important part or important spare part in the mobile phone. If any section of this PCBA are not work properly, the handset are not working or handset may be getting damaged or dead. Can you see this is a one feature phone PCBA and we have shown you the back side of the PCBA. There are two parts, mainly two sections are divided. One is network section and second is power section. In the network section we have seen many types of components are available. That is, please note down it, PFO or PA, BSI, VCO, voice VCO, voice controlling oscillator. Now antenna point, which are connected to the antenna, and it's help us to connect the headphone from the wave or signal. Another is on-off switch. Another antenna switch. And RX TX filter, network IC. All components are present in network section. If we see in the power section, we see power IC, RTC, charging IC, CPU, mic interface, buzzer interface, flash IC, RAM, UI model or logic IC. So now we move our next slide. Hello student, can you hear me? Hello Chandan, can you hear me? Hello student. So I moved our next slide.